This is that Henry, I call it the Henry jackknife, but this is why I didn't want to lose it, because it is a beautiful knife. These are highly specialized blades. They were shaped specifically for whittling or carving purposes, but a farmer would have this in his pocket for daily life, or someone fishing would have this in their pocket. That's why I really wanted this knife back, and I'm so glad I found it. Yeah, I think my 8-year-old is too young for this right now, but when she's mature enough for camping, stuff like that, I will definitely give this to her for her kit. It's a beautiful little knife. Well, that's it for now. I will see you online. I was glad to rescue this from the beach.